हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे ऐसे ऑन टेररिज्म इन इंग्लिश। दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ अब जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही बेल आइकॉन बटन को भी प्रेस कर दें ताकि लेटेस्ट अपलोड होने वाली वीडियोस की जानकारी आप तक पहुंच सके। Terrorism has become a serious issue around the globe. Terrorism is like a virus in the global world. Terrorists has no social responsibility. They can create violence in the world and brings war between countries in the world. Life has become a prey of terrorism. Life has become so uncertain. The frequent terrorist activities and attacks has frightened the public, including the people of all ages. The beautiful life has become dark and dismal. The shadows of terrorism have badly overshadowed the peace and joys of the people. Terrorism is an international problem in today's global community. Terrorism is the illegal use of force for political or criminal purposes. The terrorists blast bombs and send suicide attackers at important public places. Innocent people, including men, women, and children, are killed in these terrorist activities and attacks. The losses are irreparable for the whole nation. It is true that terrorism needs quick and effective control. The safety and security of the people is the most essential duty of the government. The government should take serious steps to eradicate terrorism from our society. It should take effective and long-term steps. There can be a number of steps and suggestions to control terrorism. I would make the following suggestions to control and check this evil. First of all, the government should take possession of all the weapons. It should also make arrangements to stop all fresh supplies of weapons. Inside the country, the identity cards, places of stay and contacts of all the visitors and especially doubtful persons should be checked. Secret services policemen should keep a strict watch on all the important public places like airports, bus stations, railway stations, public parks and educational institutions. Certain new laws should be implemented for controlling terrorism. The people should cooperate with the government in its efforts to deal with terrorism. तो दोस्तों, ये था ऐसे ऑन टेररिज्म। दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ आप इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें, इस वीडियो को शेयर करें। आप इस वीडियो को फेसबुक, व्हाट्सएप के तहत शेयर कर सकते हैं, अपने दोस्तों को इस चैनल के बारे में बता सकते हैं। अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं किसी पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक के ऊपर वीडियो बनाऊं तो कमेंट के थ्रू बता सकते हैं। थैंक यू।